All right, Barak Yahweh, Barak Shai. All praise to the Most High Yahweh, in the name of His Son, Yahweh Shai, in the name of the Holy Spirit, by Hashem Kakwadash, Shalom to the elect, double honors to our elders and apostles of Great Millstone. Qanath, why don't you send a message to Aoc Loi and HOI and tell them that Native Americans, the so-called Native Americans and so-called Latinos, are not a part of the tribes? How come on your page, Qanath, FOPE Israelite School, you have videos of them, all right, because you guys believe in unity camps. This is the downfall of unity camps. Not everybody believes the same thing. You have the speaker here, which I'm about to play, who's saying our people are destroyed for lack of knowledge, on your page, by the way. And then he goes on to say that it's blacks and Hispanics. It's blacks and Hispanics. But you don't believe it's Hispanics. So my question to you is, why don't you send a message to AOC, to LOI, and HOI and tell them that their chart is wrong? And better yet, present your chart. Let's see your chart of all the 12 tribes of who they are today. Are you going to have Negro written next to Zebulon and Issachar? All right. Are you? No, you're not, because you don't care about truth. Qanath. Why don't you send a message to these guys? Now listen, this is on your page. Listen to this. You see that? He said, my people are destroyed for lack of knowledge. And then the speaker said, see, you hear that? Blacks and Hispanics. Now, the guy speaking, he looks like he might be so-called Latino himself, you know? If he in fact is, then guess what, Qanath? You need to send a message to AOC, LOI, HOI and tell them they need to kick all the so-called Native Americans and Latinos out of their camps. All right, that's what your message to GMS was. All right, so that's enough. All right, so you see it again, Qanath. Why is this video still on your page? You should be going through all your videos, making sure that nobody out there that's speaking is saying that the Hispanics are from the tribes, because apparently you don't believe it. Out of nowhere, all these years later, you want to pop up and say you have a message for Great Millstone. Well, Great Millstone is not the only camp, all right, sect of Israel that knows the 100% truth, all right, and brings it out. You have the men of DTA, all right, and men of valor, all right, various other Israelites that bring out the 100% truth. And not only us, again, why don't you send a message to AOC, LOI, and HOI and tell them that their chart is wrong? Why is it just GMS? Why? Because you're clout chasing, man. You're doing this for views and you don't care about truth, all right? So, Qanath, you're full of shit, man. Excuse my language. You're really full of it. Ain't nobody here for your entertainment, man. All right, and that's what FOPE stands for our people's entertainment, because you don't edify anything. Matter of fact, when you go to your page, there's no breakdowns about Daniel. There's no breakdowns on Revelation. All right, you got the soft-hearted doctrine through the Spirit. All right, law, statutes, commandments, cursing out the nigger woman and talking about Esau. All right, but you don't go into the 12 tribes breakdown. All right, you don't even do it on the highways and byways. Why? Because you're doing this for filthy lucre through the Spirit, all right? So, Qanath, why don't you send a message to AOC, LOI, and HOI, man, all right? The Wadi How Bashmi Al-Shai allow me just to bring this out real quick and show the filth, all right, that's dwelling with this man, Qanath, all right? Because he's clearly a hypocrite. When you see this video, this guy is talking about blacks and Hispanics are the Lord's people, all right? Double honors to our elders and apostles of Great Millstone. Again, Barak Yahweh Shai.